Using environment variables is a standard practice for modern software development. A question you might have is, why do we use environment variables? It is common to have multiple deployed instances of our application, also called environments. For example, a dev environment for continuously deploying our code, staging, which is a replica of production for testing before production deployment, and of course, production, which is the instance of our application used by our commercial clients. Storing information for accessing external resources like databases directly in our code ties all these environments to a specific instance of the external resource. As you can imagine, this will be a problem for a number of reasons. For example, the production database will collect development junk, and this also means that anyone with access to the source code will be able to access the production database without any peer review. Moving this information into environment variables allows us to use the same code deployed to different environments with their own environment variables, which allows us to scale our external resources to multiple instances. Note that this is not the only benefit of using environment variables, but even this by itself is enough to motivate their usage.